Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But the last 30 minutes here were absolutely crazy. I mean, things were basically falling apart, and then all of a sudden the price was down here, and then in the blink of an eye, 30 minutes later, right up there. So any rational person would say, yeah, that was very crazy. That was a very impressive movement. And that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind that price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is that just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves on a single area. And that area is down here at the $6 mark. Why is $6 important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price comes down here to $6, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would you have at that point? Well, now all of a sudden, you would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that, make a big move up and then go right back to where they were. Not exactly the start of something bigger, right? That would be the exact opposite. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. And to be fair, no pricing just goes straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, though, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, what's the big difference here? Well, now all of a sudden you have a set of lows there. You have those lows down there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make and show signs of progress. And that's what that $6 mark is representing. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, big battleground to watch initially going to be right there at $9.35. And then after $9.35, next key level after that, right up there at $10.50. So no doubt about it, crazy, crazy final 30 minutes. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.